Welcome to my channel, ColdStart. Looks like this is pretty much assembled. I watch a guy in his mid-30s get a bike jump. Gee, every time I do something the hard way, I think one of these days I'll smarten up. I'm not. It's confusing me. Those are definitely metric. I think use standard. Someone do the right thing. Just keep using the standard. Might as well torque this up. Got it. Can't get the front tire in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to slide this through. Just by doing that. Check see if there's any instructions with this. Oh, I'm getting it now. Jesus. You guys remember you saying something? This is metric? Yeah, we're still using standard drive stuff. Mostly what I have. My previous profession is airplanes. Used to be an airplane mechanic, and the only thing they use is standard. We'll do some pedal action here. Get you guys right in there. Oh, there's the instructions. I might work them a little more better. What do you think? For those who don't know, bicycles pedals, one is right hand thread, one's left hand thread. It's even labeled. Get my adjustable metric on it. Fits all the metrics. Look at it. Try not busting my teeth out. Well, that was awkward. Completely ran out of storage on my phone. I'm trying to record 4K, but I have a phone from 2018, only has 64 gigs. That's just not enough gigs. It's not my day, guys. Keep fighting with the damn phone. It's my only recording device. Ow, sharp. Brand new bikes will be brand new used, the way I keep crashing around. Got something to show you guys. Remember we fighting with the metric tools. I don't have too many metrics. Get some supply with everything you need. Maybe I just find that more amusing. I don't know. Just look at it. Alright, so what I'm figuring out is that the way this brake lever is, it's kicked way too high. In order to get to it, I have to get underneath it, take the set screw out, pull this rubber grip off, shift this out, move it out of the way, put it back to this configuration here. the only problem so far. So they were doing pretty good. Loosen that set screw, loosen the other screw for the brake. Get that out of the way. Oh! The handle's locked right on, so what I do is use a little soap water. The thing with soap water is it'll evaporate. So the grip shouldn't come off again when you reinstall it. Just needs a little foreplay, it'll come off. Alright. Just like that. You just tighten her down. Just like that. Yep, that hurt. It's Adam from ColdStart. Yeah, that bike jump went exactly the way I thought it would go. I haven't jumped a bike in 17 years. Didn't get enough speed and I just sent it. So these bikes are actually pretty decent. They're not top of the line bikes by any means, but right out of the box they're easy to set up. They do have destructions and they do have tools, but my favorite thing is I don't have to mess around with tuning on this derailleur. No grinding, it just goes. It's a beautiful thing. I'll definitely buy these bikes again, especially for teenage boys that are just gonna teenage boys, me excluded, do as I say, not as I do. They're gonna thrash them.